Are you running an appliance repair business but feel like you're spending more time repairing your own workflow than your customers' machines? Introducing Field Harmony, the complete platform built specifically for in-home appliance repair companies. Field Harmony eliminates the chaos by seamlessly connecting your office staff and your technicians in the field, keeping your entire operation in perfect sync at all times. Imagine this. Your technician arrives at a job with the customer's complete service history right on their tablet. They diagnose the issue, look up the exact part needed from a built-in catalog, and place the order in seconds. No calls back to the office, no frantic searching online. Stop wasting time on paperwork and miscommunication. Start running your business with the smooth, coordinated power of Field Harmony. It's time to bring peace to your process and power to your profits. One platform to bring it all together. Ready to take your appliance repair business to the next level? Visit fieldharmony.com to schedule your free personalized demo today. Field Harmony, your business in sync.